I'm grateful, so deeply grateful for every single thing that life has given me. I'm grateful, just so grateful for the love, the light, and all I get to be. I'm grateful for the people in my corner every day, for the strength to keep on going anyway, for the lessons hidden inside every fall, for the beauty that surrounds me after all, for the simple things that money cannot buy, for the rainbow always waiting past the cry, for the grace